Yo, welcome to Monday, September 29th. Took a nice little trade across all my accounts, PAs. 282 times 11 is uh $3,102 in a day. Man, was this a stressful trade? This was a very stressful trade. I'll tell you guys why, and yeah, let's get into it. Let's open the journal real quick. So, going through. I could have targeted a lot more too, but like it's a no news Monday, so I just wanted to hit a nice chill trade. So let's start on the higher time frame, like the 1 hour. So we just pushed up all of overnight session, and we tapped into this 4 hour fair value gap, like literally the top of it, and then uh, opening range from 9:30, we just pushed up. So people are chasing the uh, this up action right here. They want to get long to all-time highs probably, but I saw we tapped that. Then we got a market structure right here, right? So high, higher low, higher high, lower low. So we get this lower low on the 1 minute. I didn't get the best entry. Like this was in an OTE, but uh, it's inverse. I just didn't want to miss the trade, so that's kind of FOMO on my end. Could have entered like up here this OTE for like a 1 to 2. That would have been a lot better, but uh, yeah, I didn't want to miss the trade, I guess. Which, especially on No News Monday, I should just chill on that. So, uh, my stop was at this 5 minute high right here, because uh, this one tapped into. Hold up, I need this drawing for TikTok. This one already tapped into this 25%, so I'm like, oh, we shouldn't get above this wick then. So I was stressed because I'm like, dude, back here, subtracting everything from here. I was like here, I'm like, okay, we're just gonna get tapped out. And this was just a really long trade. We broke down to my break-even spot. Like it was over here somewhere. I was, I got a little better fill, but my break-even spot. And then we push up. I'm like, oh, bro, no way. I could have got out of break-even, but I didn't, and I'm glad I didn't because we pushed down here and we just flushed lower to the first presented fair value up uh was my TP. Uh, and yeah, let me show you guys. So I said I entered this trade because we pushed up all of Asia. Basically what I already explained to you. I said that no red folder news on Monday, which is today, but I usually don't do too bad on no news Mondays, so I trade them anyways. As you can see, I had a 735 note. How I wasn't too emotional at this point. I was just like, oh, whatever. I just kind of lost. And then I was kind of coping about how I was 50-50 instead of like betting on myself, I guess. And 7041 note. So 741 is right over here. After I got the break even, I was talking about how I was just coping more because I could have got out of break even, but I didn't. 44 when we're up here-ish. Um, I just talked about how I'm just not gonna move my stop to break even, and I have to just let my play out. And then after the trade, I was just talking about how I'm glad I didn't move my stop loss, and I'm glad that I was able to bet on myself and just just betting on yourself and understanding that you have to follow your rules in your model. So that's how I banked $3,102 on Q today. Tough day emotionally. Like draw wise, wasn't even bad. Like pretty easy draw, right? Like to the downside is pretty obvious because uh yeah, on ES, like we just retook. I think we just took. No, we haven't took Asia loads yet, but yeah. Uh, Also just like regular trading hours. I'm just gonna turn this off. Yeah, regular trading hours. We have this huge, uh, this huge opening, opening gap right here. So just like things telling us that we can go down. So happy with my draw. Happiest with the way I performed and didn't break any of my rules and stuff. So yeah, that's a sign to trust your model, trust your execution, trust your rules. Rules over feelings any day. Dude, this was really tough on me emotionally. But yeah, I'll catch y'all tomorrow on Tuesday. Sorry I didn't do backtesting psychology video. I've just been busy, making this thing. So I'm gonna show you all the AI assistant. Uh, how did I do today? So if you guys are new to the channel or don't know about this trading software I'm making, uh, it's a trading journal with AI assistant. I'm adding a lot more features or traders. It doesn't matter what you trade or how you trade. It's just a journaling for stats because overall trading is a stats game. So link is in the bio to join the Discord. We're going to be releasing beta later this week maybe, depending on how fast I get things done and what things I get done. So yeah, let's read what it said. I bought for 282 on today. I followed all my rules. I traded on a day with no news, which is against my rules. Technically not on the news Monday. I need to add that. Uh, I said I don't have any max loss or profit target. I perform well financially, but I need to address the rule breach. So yeah, I'm gonna improve the assistant more on talking about emotions and stuff to help you. And yeah, so yeah, I'll catch y'all. Link in bio. Like a video if new. Subscribe if you're new. And yeah.